Our purpose in doing this project was to learn about the solar system we live in. We recreated the planets to get a better understanding of how big the planets are relative to each other and how far they are from each other.
This is our space adventure through our very own solar system.
This is how far we walked all the way from AES to Jesus Mary College, about 947 meters. For scale, if we would have shrunk down the solar system about 6 billion times. And the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto.
Begin our journey of the solar system with the star commonly known as the Sun. The Sun is crucial to all life. Without the Sun, global temperature would be too low to accommodate any form of life. The Sun is massive, more volume than all of the other planets in the solar system combined. It has a diameter of 1,391,684 kilometers. It is often considered the center of the solar system as all planets orbit. The distance to Earth is 149,600,000 kilometers. The mass is 1.989 E30 kilograms. The surface area is 6.09 times 10 to the 12th power square kilometers. The surface temperature is about 5,504 degrees Celsius, and the magnitude is minus 26.74. Now we take our journey to the first planet, Mercury. Go!
After taking a journey approximately 9 meters from the Sun relative to the size, we arrive at the first planet, Mercury. In real life, it is 57,910,000 kilometers from the Sun. Also, Mercury is a decently sized planet with approximately a diameter of 4,897 kilometers. Since it's very near to the Sun, it only takes 88 days to complete an orbital period. It has a mass of 328.5 E21 kilograms, or 5.5% of Earth's mass. Its surface area is 74,800,000, and the night temperature is 307.778 degrees Celsius. During the day, however, it's 426.667 Celsius. The gravity is 3.7 meters per second, and the length of a day on Mercury is 58 days, 15 hours and 30 minutes of Earth days. Even though Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, it's not the warmest. This is because it has no atmosphere, so any heat that the Sun gives quickly escapes into space.
Now we are at the second planet in our solar system, Venus. Venus is bigger than Mercury with a diameter of 12,000 kilometers. It is 108,200,000 kilometers from the Sun, but really we only took a trip of 17 meters from the Sun. Its mass is 4.867 E24 kilograms, which is 0.815 of Earth mass. The surface area is 460,234,317 kilometers squared. The all-day temperature is 462 degrees Celsius, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. The length of a day is 116 days, 18 hours, and 0 minutes of Earth time.
After taking a trip of approximately 24 meters, we arrive to our planet Earth. Earth is the only planet known to accommodate life. In real life, it is approximately 149,600,000 kilometers from the Sun. It has a mass of 5.972 E24 kilograms. It has a surface area of 510,072,000 kilometers squared. Also, it has a diameter of 12,742 kilometers. It is approximately 4.54 billion years since it was created, and has a gravitational pull of 9.807 meters per second, and it only has one moon, also known as the Moon.
Now on to the fourth closest planet to the Sun, Mars. We have traveled about 37 meters from the Sun so far, but in real life, out in space, Mars is 227,000,000 900,000 kilometers from the Sun. It has a diameter of 6,779 kilometers. The mass of Mars is 639 E21 kilograms, which is 0.107 of Earth's mass. The surface area is 144,798,500 kilometers square. The orbital period is 687 days. The gravitational pull is 3.711 meters per second per second. The radius is obviously 3,390 kilometers. There are only two moons of Mars, Phobos and Deimos.
After taking a journey of approximately 124 meters from the Sun, or 778,500,000 kilometers in real life, we have arrived at the biggest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. Jupiter has a diameter of 139,822 kilometers. It has a mass of 1.898 E27 kilograms. It has a surface area of 61,418,338,571 kilometers squared. It has a gravitational pull of 24.79 meters per second per second. It has an orbital period of 12 years, and it has 63 moons, including Europa, Io, Castillo, and so on.
We have come to the next planet in our solar system, Saturn. We have traveled to 229 meters from the Sun, but up in space, it's actually been 1,433,000,000 kilometers since the Sun. Saturn has a diameter of 116,464 kilometers. The mass of Saturn is 568.3 E24 kilograms. It is 95.16 times Earth's mass. The surface area is 42,700,000,000 kilometers squared. The density is 687 kilograms per meter cubed. Saturn has 53 named moons, while another 9 are being studied. Some of the named moons are titled Titan, Enceladus, Mimas, Dione, Rhea, Tethys, Iapetus, Pan, etc.
After traveling about 459 meters, or 2,877,000,000 kilometers in real life, we have arrived at Uranus. Uranus has a diameter of 50,724 kilometers. It has a mass of 86.81 E24 kilograms, or 14.54 times Earth's mass. It has a surface area of 8,083,000,000 kilometers squared, a gravitational pull of 8.69 meters per second, an orbital period of 84 years, and it has 27 moons. These include Miranda, Titania, Oberon, Ariel, and so on.
Our next planet is Neptune. We have traveled about 720 meters from the Sun, while in real life it is 4,503,000,000 kilometers from the Sun. Neptune has a diameter of 49,244 kilometers. The mass of Neptune is 102.4 E24 kilograms, which is 17.15 times Earth's mass. The surface area is 7,618,272,763 kilometers squared. Neptune has a total of 14 moons, including Triton, Nereid, Proteus, Naiad, Thalassia, and many more.
We have now arrived at the last planet from the Sun, which is actually a dwarf planet named Pluto. We have traveled 947 meters from the Sun. Unfortunately, we were not able to travel all this distance. However, it would be at the end of this road, a yellow sign. In real life, this distance is 5,906,000,000 kilometers. It has a mass of 1.30900 to the 22nd power in kilograms. It has a surface area of 1.665 to the 7th power square kilometers. It was discovered on February 18, 1930 and by a man named Clyde Tombaugh. It has a gravitational pull of 0.658 meters per second per second. It has 5 moons, including Charon, Hydra, Nix, Styx, and Kerberos.
Our journey ends here. We hope that you enjoyed the tour and have learned a lot about our amazing and wonderful solar system. The first planet is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, then Neptune, and then Pluto. This project was made by me, Peter Pakazdi,
William Granelli.
Me, Veer Narula.
And Kartik Sharma.
Yeah!